Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Market Trends. Today in this video we shall be discussing about the post-market report for the day. So let's get started. As you can see in front of your screen is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The American market traded at 26,379. That was a fair decline of 0.77%. Whereas now talking about the Indian markets, we could see that the Nifty closed at 11,202 rupees. That was a fair fall of 97.70 points. Whereas in terms of percentage, we can say that it was a downfall of 0.86%. Now moving on to the sectoral indices, the first one, that is Nifty Next 50, was up by 0.47% and was last seen traded at 26,433, whereas Nifty Mid Cap 50 was also in positive in green by 0.59% and was seen closing at 4,305. Now coming on to the Nifty Auto, which was seen to be in red, was down by 1.17% and was last seen trading at 7,330 rupees. Whereas lastly the Nifty Bank, which closed at 22,076, was seen to be down by 0.13%. These were the sectoral indices. Now coming on to the charts, as you can see, the Indian market opened up with a gap down, although the first candle was a bullish candle followed by a bearish candle, that was the second one. After that we could see that throughout the day there was only slow momentum observed, but by 2 o'clock approximately we could see that the markets fell badly, and after that we could see only some highs and lows. Ultimately the market was ended up in negative. Now if we come on to the FII, FPI or the DII trading data for NSE, BSE and MSEI, we can say FII, FPI, where the buying value for yesterday was recorded at 5,836.36 crores and the selling value was recorded as 5,590.41 crores. Ultimately the net value was 245.95 crores. Whereas for the DIS we could see that in the buying value there was 3,990.8 crores, whereas the selling value was 5,008.2 crores and the net value comes down to minus 1,017.4 crores. Now if we see the contribution to the index figures, over here from the pharma sector we could see Dr. Reddy Labs was one of the biggest contributor, contributing 6.34, whereas Bajaj Finance, which contributed 5.45, followed by IndusInd Bank, Grasim's, Tata Steel, ITC, Bharti Infratel and various other companies. Now if you see the top 5 gainers and losers for the day, Dr. Reddy's Lab, Tata Steel, IndusInd Bank, Grasim's, Bharti Infratel Limited with the ones who tried to push up the market, whereas in the losers category comes the Reliance Industries Limited, Mahindra and Mahindra, HCL Tech, Nestle India, Hero MotoCorp were the ones who tried to pull down the market. But eventually Dr. Reddy's Lab was considered as the topmost gainer for the day. Now if you see the quarter results, the companies who are going to announce their quarter results as of tomorrow are many, but I have jotted down few companies over here, that is Dapper India Limited, HDFC, that is Housing Development Finance Corporation Limited, and Sahara One Media and Entertainment Limited. Well, that's it guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe my channel as well as click on the bell icon for timely updates. I would also request you to share this channel in your contacts. uh, I hope to come up with another video very soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.